What's going on, guys? It's your boy Rishi. Today I'm going to be showing you how to code all even numbers in Python. Without further ado, let's get into it. I'm trying to make this a quick and easy tutorial. So the first thing we have to do is we're going to do for I in range. Now we're going to do 1, and now since we're doing even, we're going to take an odd number for the second. Because what Python does is 11 minus 1, aka 10. So now what we're going to do is now we have to put a syntax. We have to do if I modulus 2 equal to 2 0 syntax print in parentheses I 2 4 6 8 10. So now let me just explain what's going on in the code. So right now what's happening is, say, why did it only take 11? Okay, sure. But what Python does is it takes the second number minus 1. So 10. So it only takes 10. And so now we'll go on to line 2, and let me explain what line 2 does. So if I divided by 2 and it has a remainder of a 0, which you guys probably have learned in math class. So if it has a remainder of 0, then you have to print I, which is here in line 3. So that's it. You can code these very easily. And yeah. I will see you guys all next time.